Hello and welcome to the syllabus talk for Chem 161, General Chemistry 1 for Spring 2025. So I'm your instructor, Michael Ferguson, and you can hear the melodious sound of my voice as I tell you all about this course, at least the syllabus. So start off here. We're doing construction. We're not entirely sure where I will be. So that's just going to have to go by week basis, unfortunately. So I will have office hours on Tuesday, Wednesday, 9 to 10:30, and they'll be on Zoom. If you want to meet me in person, be sure to write and make an appointment so I can figure out where I am at. The Ferguson uncertainty principle, I guess. Trying to figure out where I'm at because of the construction, and they might move us around. So that way we can ensure that you don't have to go looking for me. Email is the best way to get a hold of me. I'm pretty Johnny on the spot when it comes to emails. Although I'm a biological intelligence, I'm not an artificial intelligence, which means I do things like I like to have fun, and I also sleep every night. So if you email me at 3 p.m. on a Saturday, I might be out hiking or at the beach. If you write me at 3 a.m., I'm probably sleeping. So please keep that in mind. But I will get back to you. It's not like, well, you missed your shot. It's just I'll get back to you, when I'm then in front of a computer again. Or if I write you briefly, I'm on my cell phone. And, I can, if it's something I can just tell you right fast, I will. And I just do that on the cell phone. But my emails tend to be a little more flowery. But I'm pretty good at this. I'm usually good at getting back to people and servicing them quickly. And so this is Gen Chem 1. Gen Chem 1 it's pretty much taught the same way around the country. This is just the first half of general chemistry. And it hasn't changed much since 1960, when Linus Pauling literally wrote the book on this. Actually, this shouldn't be Lalima, it should be Lamaku. We're missing this. Lamaku. We're doing Lamaku now, and the community colleges are doing this, the Lamaku launch, and I guess we'll make all the mistakes and then pass on the word to Manoa. What's the best way to do that? So unfortunately, you're stuck here with Lamaku with me on this if you're used to Lalima. Still not as good as Canvas, but I guess it's in the right direction. Here's the student learning outcomes. And the textbook, you already have it. It's in your student account, and you have to go through the Vital Source app, and I'll show you how to do that in a separate video. For participation verification, I do it by you signing up for the Pearson class. So you have to go through the Vital Source app and then sign up for the Pearson class. And if you don't, I email you, and if you don't respond, you get dropped from the class. So the grading breakdown, you wonder how I get an A in this class. There's 4 tests and a final and homework. So tests are worth 10% of your grade each. There's 4 of them. Homework is 35%. The final is 25%. The forms are ungraded, but I do recommend you write to the introduction one because I use that to make sure you're in the right class. This class is really for STEM majors and pre-med and pre-pharm. So that's who takes this class. And for the tests, basically first test, chapter 1 through 4, the homework and then the test is due on February 12th. Tests are all online on Mastering. Test 2 is chapters 5 through 7, and including the homework, and that's due on March 12th. Test 3, chapters 8 and 9, due April 9th. Test 4, 10 and 11, due May 7th, and then the comprehensive final. So everything is then on Mastering. You can start early. I actually, I allow late work. I mean, it's one of the reasons why you're doing this online class, right? Is because you have a funky schedule. And if you miss a test, I'm going to bug you if you miss the test, but I'm not going to dock you points. So, but I teach by coaching. I try to keep you on track and coach you, as you're going through, and and if you miss a deadline, I'm not going to punish you for it, like penalize you as far as taking marks away, but you have to do them. So, do I give extra credit? No, I give full credit, and you can work on things. So, I also, so as far as late work, I cannot move the last day of classes. So the finals end on May 16th. I can't help you after that. I had to submit the grades. So, and if you don't have the work in, I can submit an incomplete, but I have to submit grades. So keep that in mind. There is an end to my grace as far as the fact I am kind of loosey-goosey when it comes to treatment of due dates. So everything else, I do want to. Here's all the other required statements in the syllabus. I do want to make a note of this for basic needs and mental health. So this is a shared responsibility between us as far as students and faculty members. If you are not able to find food, if you're not able to find housing, there is no way you're going to be able to perform as well as you should in this class. Similarly, with mental health, if you're dealing with some mental health challenges, it's going to affect your academic performance. And I also, besides that, one human being to another, us biological intellects, we don't like having these issues. So this is something I want us to work together. If you do find yourself in either of these circumstances, here it is. Of course, you can help yourself, but if you need help with this, please let me know. I'm happy to help you and get you pointed in the right direction. For LGBTQ+, I am a safe zone advocate as well. So, and there's the rest of this. So I hope you enjoyed this talk, and welcome to the class. Aloha.